Presenting SPRINTF string formatting, with the subtitle, Customizing Output. In this segment, we'll delve into the powerful SPRINTF function in Sheerpower, which allows you to format strings with exacting detail. This function is essential for creating well-structured and readable output, tailored to your specific needs. Let's explore how SPRINTF can enhance your string formatting capabilities. SPRINTF, which stands for String Print Formatted, is a highly optimized and fast function in Sheerpower. It allows you to format strings with great versatility, similar to functions with the same name found in languages like C, C++, Java, and Perl. SPRINTF is used by providing a format string and a list of arguments. Each % within the format string marks where an argument will be substituted. For example, SPRINTF age is %33 will output age is 33. SPRINTF allows precise number formatting using %f for real numbers and %d for integers. You can specify the number of decimal places with .n. For example, SPRINTF pi is about %.3f, 3.14159265, outputs pi is about 3.142. Sheerpower's SPRINTF includes a %p format to handle singular and plural words. The last numeric value before %p determines if the word should be singular or plural. For example, SPRINTF I have %p 56 ox outputs I have 56 oxen. Formatting dates and times is done using %t followed by date, time item names such as at YYYY for a 4-digit year or at mon for the short month name. For example, SPRINTF %t the party is at month at DD, at YYYY, seconds, might output the party is June 10, 2022. String substitutions can be done using %c. This format supports character substitutions using @ signs and segment substitutions using open and close bracket. See examples. Formatting money and large numbers is simplified with %m, which inserts commas as needed. For example, SPRINTF about $%.2m 1,234,567.887 outputs about $1,234,567.89, rounding to 2 decimal places. SPRINTF allows precise positioning with horizontal tabs using %h. You can also specify fixed width columns with %n for right justified and %-n for left justified text. For instance, SPRINTF number %10d 123 outputs number 123. To format numbers in octal, hexadecimal, and binary, use %o, %x, and %b respectively. For example, SPRINTF %d in octal, %o. Hex, %x binary, %b 123, 123, 123, 123, outputs 123 in octal is 173, hex is 7b, and binary is 111011. Sometimes there is a need to embed special characters into the format. Here is the full list of special characters in Sheerpower. To embed special characters, use the \. For example, SPRINTF hello \n world inserts a new line, resulting in hello world in 2 lines. Other special characters include \t for a tab and \0nnn for octal values. Sheerpower's SPRINTF function is designed for safety. If an incorrect data type is passed, it attempts to coerce it to the correct type, raising an exception if this fails. It also raises exceptions for too few or too many arguments, ensuring the runtime environment remains stable. Sheerpower's SPRINTF function offers versatile and precise string formatting capabilities. By understanding its various formats and options, you can create well-structured and readable output tailored to your specific needs, enhancing the overall quality and clarity of your programs.